Hi there, Stuart saying, sports therapist, run fit coach, back with another video. And today we're at the track to take you through another training video. And this one is perfect for beginner, novice runners, new to track work. So yes, without further ado, let's get stuck in. First off, we need to prepare our bodies for action. So we're going to start off with a 200 metre brisk walk, followed by a 200 metre gentle jog to loosen up. Then we'll fire the muscles in with some dynamic drills. Kicking off with 30 metres of high knees, followed by 30 metres of heel kicks. Following on from that, it's 30 metres of straight leg pulls. And 30 metres of opening the gates. And on the way back, it's another 30 metres of closing the gates. Following that, we're going to do 30 metres of walking lunges. And next, we're going to get those hamstrings and calves ready with 15 dynamic stretches per leg. To complete the warm-up, we finish with 2 sets of 30 metre strides. The pyramid is a sequence of intervals, 200, 400, 600 and 800 metres. Each interval gets longer as you climb the pyramid, and obviously gets shorter as you come down the pyramid. But don't worry, we've built in structured recoveries to help you stay strong. After 200 metres, take a 60-second recovery. After 400 metres, it's a 90-second recovery. After 600 metres, take a 2-minute recovery. And after the final 800 metres, enjoy a 2.5-minute recovery. Focus on maintaining consistent effort levels, so think threshold level, 7 to 8 out of 10 rate of perceived exertion, and running with a nice tall posture and high hips. Think about your pace, so start controlled and finish strong. After finishing the pyramid session, it's time to cool down. So once your heart rate is lower, spend some time on some static stretching. So here we are holding a calf stretch for around 20 to 40 seconds on each leg. Followed by a quad stretch. And after a quick shake off, we then work on the hamstring and stretch those out. And then stretch into the adductors. And finally, we roll the shoulders out just to remove any tension that could have built up from the session. And that's it. A complete pyramid session to boost your speed and endurance. Why not give it a go and let me know how you got on? Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Sports Therapy channel, as it'd be great to have you on board. Full session details are in the description below, and until next time, it's bye for now.